Hi everyone, welcome to Soap Thai Cooking. Today I'm gonna cook oyster Thai sauce. It's a seafood sauce, but this one, when you go Thailand or the 5-star hotel or restaurant, they're gonna serve like this. I would like to show you guys how to make. Just start to cook. Ingredient for oyster sauce is Thai style. I got chili, garlic, lime juice, mint and coriander, sugar, chili paste with soybean sauce, fish sauce, and oyster. I add chili in. You combine the chili and garlic. It's ready. Just add fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of sugar and lemon. Easy to cook. Let me get our sauce. And we got chili paste with soybean sauce. They call them pig pao in Thailand. Fry the onion to eat with oyster sauce, Thai style. The trick is if you add lemon in to make the powder mix together, and we fry this and it'll be really crunchy. I got tempura flour. Just add it in and we just mix together like this. The oil hot already, we just add it in. Just fry the trick. How we fry the onion, make it crunchy. Fry onion nearly done. I'm gonna take out now. Our oyster sauce Thai style seafood is done. Can you see it? I really want to show you is my onion I fry on the oil. It's so crunchy. This one I show you already the trick. Just look in my video. It's really in that. So easy and just beautiful. This one the raw oyster, but in Australia I saw they eat with the lamb. But in Thailand, we eat with the seafood sauce and chili paste and this style. I'm gonna show you how we eat it Thai style. I got oyster, this one, and with the seafood sauce, with the chili paste, chili jam, and crunchy of onion, and 1 brick of mint. Just the way we eat oyster in Thailand. Wow, absolutely beautiful. The soft, the smooth, the oyster, the sauce is lemon, is sour, and chili paste, oh, just spicy. The taste just fabulous. You guys have to try it. So easy to cook, and this one for snack. Like if you go Thailand, if you ask for this, oh, it's gonna be like this. Hope you guys enjoy my video and see you next clip. If you like, please subscribe for me. And thank you very much for watching my video. Bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ